Hi everybody. This video is going to show you how to create a doodle or a doodle poll. So what is a doodle? Well, it's an online platform that allows you to book meetings, courses, classes, webinars with learners and colleagues. It's just one platform that creates one URL, one link that you can send to your learners and colleagues so that you don't have to have endless phone calls, emails back and forth, WhatsApp messages to find the perfect date and time that meets the needs of all your colleagues or all of your learners. It's a freemium platform, which means that the basic functionality of it is freely available, but you can pay a subscription to enable you to have more premium abilities. However, the free version of it is really good as it is. You also can log in and create an account with Doodle. That account is free, and that account allows you to do two really good things. One is keep all of your URLs in one place so you don't have to troll through your emails to find it. And the other is that you can link your own calendar to it, so it automatically ticks off your own availability. However, you don't need to have an account with it at all. You can do it without an account quite easily in just 4 easy steps. I'm going to show you those 4 easy steps now. So you get to the main page of doodle.com here, and you're going to click the red square up here with the plus button. Okay, step 1 of 4. What's the occasion? I'm going to say team meeting. That's the occasion. The location is optional, but I'm going to show you all the different options that we can have here. I'm going to click Zoom. And next you can add a note. It's a good idea to add a note if maybe you've got lots of doodle polls and they're all called team meeting, just to differentiate between them, or maybe to give a little bit more information. But it is optional, you don't have to do it to create the doodle. So I'm going to click continue. Okay, and here are your options. As you can see here, it's asking you to log in so that you can sync and connect your own calendar, but I'm doing this in a way so that I don't have to log in, so I'm going to click later. As you can see here, you've got a week view, so Monday through to Sunday. Or you've got a text view, which means you can just add in the days and times just through text. Or a month view. This one's my favourite because it's nice and visual and it lets me see a few weeks at the same time. Okay. So I've clicked on Monday the 20th. That's when I'm going to start adding times. I click add times there. Let's say 9 o'clock till 10. Another time, maybe 12 till 1. Okay. And Wednesday. Okay, as you can see here, it's automatically put the same times for both days. It's assumed that I've got the same availability. But I can choose to have different times each day, and I can do that by clicking here. You can see here all the different times for the 2 days, the Monday and the Wednesday. So I can just click that cross there, so it gets rid of that time, and I can add a different time. So maybe on Wednesday, I'm just available from 11. Okay. Next, I'm going to click continue. And this is where you can unlock some premium different things. So you can set a deadline for your participants, things like that. And the premium ones, as I said before, they're paid for options. The options down the left-hand side on the grey options, they are options that you can use on the freemium, on the free version of this platform. The one that I've used quite a few times that I quite like is this one here, the yes, no if need be. So if I click on that, I can show you how that works in just a moment. It basically allows our colleagues and learners to say, yes, I can come, but you know, that's not my first preference. And sometimes that can be the one that, you know, really changes and allows you to get that perfect day and time. So it might be that, especially if you're dealing with quite a lot of people, obviously one time's not going to suit everyone. So it's good to know that there might be a time where, you know, I can come to that, but I need to arrange childcare and it's not as, you know, that kind of thing. So that just that one option allows to get that communication across. However, if you do use that, then I would suggest in your email when you send people the link is just to let them know that if they click once, that says yes. If they click 2 times, then it creates this need be. So yes comes up in green and the need be will come up in yellow. I'll show you in just a moment. Okay, I'm going to click continue. Now we're on to step 4 of 4. Tell your participants who you are. My name's popped up there with my email address. That's automatic because I do actually have an account, but we're pretending I don't have an account here. So you pop your name in there, you pop your email address. The reason why you need to do that is so that obviously the participants know who you are, like it says, but also so that you get an email with a link to your URL for your Doodle, and you will also get email notifications as well when people have participated in your Doodle. So that's what your email address is used for. I'm going to click finish because that's it. That's how easy it was to set up a Doodle. Click finish and now we can see it. At the top here we've got a link, so I'd click copy and that's now on my clipboard and I can send an email with that link. I'm going to pop down so that you can see what this would look like. This is what your participants would see. Okay, they would see where it is, and it says here, tick the checkboxes twice to select yes if need be. Okay, so my name's automatically popped in there as well because I set it up. If I click once, I have green. So I can attend that time. I can also attend Wednesday at 9. This one, not so much. So I've clicked twice and that's coming yellow, as you can see. Do that again, click twice and it's coming as yellow. So that's my need be. But again, people need to know that that's an option. It can work really, really well and get you that date and time that you need. But people need to know it's an option. At the bottom here, you can see turn on calendar sync, and that was what I was saying before, that if you log in, if you have an account with Doodle, you can sync your calendar. So that means you wouldn't need to do this. Not such a problem when there's only 4 days and times, but if you actually provide people with quite a few days and times, it can be easier for you to just have your own account and sync your calendar. So that's an option. Okay, and once I click send, that means that information is popped in and I'll get an email to say that my first participant has participated in my Doodle. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. Please check out our YouTube channel with loads of other how-to videos, how to use them with learners and with colleagues.